Hello, everybody. This is a dead, well, not dead, but bird. As you can see, it's twitching. This is very sad.
You found it under a car.
Yeah. Anybody leave a comment on how to save this
Baby bird.
Yeah, I'm with my cousin here. We're gonna try the ice effect. Okay, hold this in front of the thing. Not sit down and then take. Okay. Let's grab the ice. The ice. Grab. Okay. Don't worry. Do not worry. You will be okay.
It's a very unbelievable.
I've seen these before. I just don't want him to bite me.
And we got some chips in case we're hungry.
This is like our baby now. No, I can't. I'm just gonna drop it on him.
Oh my god, it's flapping its wing.
It's making it better. It's making water. That's good. Are we still rolling? Yeah? Okay. We must save him.
You want some?
No. It's not the time for chips.
Yeah, but
Okay, we're gonna move him a little bit to the corner. So camera, get this rolling. Okay. Can you see him good?
yeah.
Okay. I tried feeding him some graham crackers.
We could try
Yeah.
giving him some chips.
And as you can see, no, don't give him chips. Birds hate chips. As you can see, his beak is bleeding. Talking like a scientist right now. Hashtag skills, and yeah. Pretty much. So,
That's how the baby bird looks like in its beak.
yeah. Okay.
Poor bird.
Okay, so as you can see, his beak is bleeding.
Yeah.
He can open his beak. He just opened it. He's getting better as we speak.
It opened its beak again.
What?
It's trying to get up.
He's getting better. Everybody, this is a miracle.
Yeah. Oh, it's drinking water.
He's drinking water, everybody. This is a miracle from heaven.
Maybe God is like making him much better. Look at it. Oh,
Okay.
it's breathing. Okay, it's breathing. It's breathing.
Okay. You heard it yourself. He's breathing. This is a miracle.
Comment down below if you like this baby bird and what will you do if you had a baby bird if it's hurt.
Okay. And also leave a like if you enjoy
And subscribe.
watching us saving. Oh, yeah, and subscribe.
Okay.
But
Bye.
no. We're not done yet. Wait,
Okay.
do they want to?
Maybe.
Okay, that was awkward silence, but it's good now. Somebody's just like, I don't know, being creepy or something. But yeah, we're good. Okay.
I think they want more water.
Okay, I think he has enough. Let's take this thing inside. Okay, hold the cameras. Get the chips.
Okay.
Okay. I'll open the door. Okay. Only face the ground. Okay. Okay. Let's turn the lights on so we get a better view.
Wait, the poodle. dog could eat this. Put it in the table. Hurry, hurry.
Table, table, table. Dog. No, dog. No. Table. Okay. I'll hold the camera.
It's a very...
Oh, and also, who wants to see my dog?
It's-
Doggy. Hello. Look. Say hi. Yeah, isn't he adorable?
Look. Oh, she looks like just like a snowball.
Yeah.
Isn't that adorable?
Yeah.
But she
Cute.
usually gives her more kisses because she loves her.
Okay. That's the bird. Comment below if you know what these birds eat. Okay? Please. Okay.
Help this baby bird.
Yeah. It's my cousin. Okay. Yeah. This is
So-
tough.
Thanks, and
Okay, so if you want to see more, we will make more. Probably tomorrow, and he's probably not going to be here. Probably at PetSmart, trying to save them. But yeah, everybody, see you later, YouTube.